Oh, the traffic! I hate traffic! I hate traffic! Oh my, I just hate traffic. Traffic's the worst, and that's what's going on in front of me. Oh, it's only mile 9. Look at that traffic. That's some nice traffic. I'm driving with no hands, Mom. 96 degrees in the shade. Real hot in the shade. 1,437 degrees in the shade. Real hot. In the shade. Oh no, it's going to be dark. Oh no, Mommy, I cannot see. Oh. You can still see me. You must have a super eye. Like a superhero eye. Your eyeball must be a super mutant eye. Your eye must be a little tiny boy eye evolved from the metahuman of the birth triangle. Peace, peace, quiet, mo. Peace, peace, quiet, mo. Quiet, mo. Peace, peace. Peace, peace. Peace, peace, quiet, mo. Peace, peace. Do you ever peace? Do you ever quiet mo? Well, we have the revolutionary peace quiet mo for sale at Walmart for $23. Now, you might ask, where do I apply this peace quiet mo on my body? Or do I eat it? Do I drink it? Do I inject it? Do I inhale it? Do I snort it? No! You don't do any of that stuff. You buy it. You buy it from Walmart, the peace quiet mo, and then you rub it on your skin, and it makes you peace forever. Oh, look, there's no traffic. The traffic has opened. The traffic has opened like like a Moses when he opened the ocean in half. Oh, Mama. This is a good because no one likes a dirty traffic. Oh! You thought I crashed? Oh, I don't crash. You think I crashed, but I never crash. 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 Crash, right? Your name's Crash, right? Crash. No, baby, that's Crash. No. I'm not cool. Crash. Crash. Hey, baby, how you doing? Are you feeling a little crash? Depression. It's something that we feel, something that we touch. It's nothing more than an expression coming out of your lungs like a deep inhale exposition. Journal, book. Something that I want to touch. I can't control because I don't have so much. Looking at the horizon, I see the telephone poles. I get so scared because I think of all the holes in my brain from all the drugs that I took, from all that pain I had in the past. It was so fast, it made me crash. Diabetes, not even once. It sneaks up on you for lunch, dinner, more than once. It's not just sugar, it's Neapolitan ice cream times 10 divided by the square root of 11. I got buses coming on the side of me, cause I'm nothing but a peanut butter jelly sandwich. I'll have two. Toasted? What about you? Yeah, I know what you like. I know that you like riding bikes. Olu Walu. Olu Walu. Olu Walu. General store. Olu Walu. Olu Walu. Olu Walu. Oh, there's a fruit stand. There's a fruit. Tony. Oh, more traffic. Wow. This is not. I don't like this. I don't like when there's traffic. I don't like it. I don't like when there's traffic. No. I'm not a big fan. I'm not big fan of traffic. But you know who's a big fan of traffic? It's a Altima, Nissan. Nissan Altima is the biggest fan of the traffic. Oh, look how pretty. Look at how pretty little trees are. The little trees. Hey! No! I hate you! I hate traffic! I hate you! Oh, bruh. Olu Walu, bruh. How's that left? Bruh, how's that left right there? Bruh, that left is all time, bruh. You know it's not all time, bruh. This traffic is so on all time, bruh. It's just so on all time. It's just so on all time, bruh. Oh, this truck behind me is getting pretty close, bruh. Like, back off, bruh. Like die. What? What, white truck? You like die? Huh? You like die, white truck? Huh? What, I bother you? Huh? What, I bother you, white truck? Huh? What, I bother you? I bother you, huh? Alright, truck. Alright, truck, I bother you. What, like say something to my face? You like say something to me, bro? I like die, bro. You like die? White truck. Huh? Haole Truck, guys. Haole Truck, Haole Truck, you like die? Huh? Haole Truck, bother you? Huh, Haole Truck, like bother you? Huh, Haole Truck. What, like die? Like die, Haole Truck, huh? What, like bother you, bro? Huh, like how's that right? How's that right over there, bro? Oh, that right is... First it was going left, and now it's going right. It's so funny. Oh my gosh, it's so hilarious. Yeah, it's just so funny. Bro, my throat is sore. My throat is like sandpaper scraping each other inside them. This one over here. This one inside them over here, bro. You see him? You see my throat? Hey, why? Yeah, why? You see my throat? You like touch him? What, Billy? What, Billy? You like touch my throat? Yeah, Billy. Why you like touch my throat for, Billy? Billy. Why you like touch him? Why you like touch my throat, Billy boy? Billy boy. Why you like touching people's throats for? You like when weirdo, brah? Why you like when weirdo?